putting in a new fuel pump for my 1998 Volvo S70. Putting in a Herco off-brand cheap fuel pump. I hope it works good. Let's get right to it. Completely different from the old incandescent. Wow, that looks nice. In the video. Well, let's get this debris out of here. Yeah. Okay, that's where I get to the fuel pump right there. Let's see, probably 10 millimeter, right? I think that's a 10 right there. Oh yeah, that's the fit. Okay, I'll get all of those off of there. Okay, that lid comes off. Ooh, it's dusty in there. Well, I live on dirt roads. Maybe you don't. Just a quick important note. The battery's disconnected. There we go. Make sure that's off of there. Well, the problem I was having, I'm going to clean this up here, is I had, my fuel pump was working great. I had a fuel leak somewhere from the top in here. I tried plugging it up with some epoxy here and here, but it would just, whenever I had a full tank of gas, that would fill up. It would, I guess, splash or overload onto this top edge here, and the whole car would smell like gas. And of course I was wasting gas too, and it was probably a fire hazard as well. So we're gonna take that out of there, even though it's a working unit, and go ahead and completely replace it, because I don't want fuel leaking out of the top of my gas tank anymore. Oh man. Okay, here's the Herco, and you can see these are just smooth. It just goes on there with a pressure fitting. So I've got those guys off. I just pried them off with a screwdriver. You can see they're just kind of a quick disconnect fitting that kind of snap into place. I don't know if you can see that there. This doesn't focus that close. And next will be the wire, the power wire that goes to the fuel pump. That one comes up here. There it is there. I went ahead and just pulled the insulation off of this, and goes up underneath, and you trace it down, and it goes to this one right here on this harness. So I'll take that off and get ready to go ahead and pull the pump. Okay, pulling it out of there. That knurled ring was not easy getting out of there. Had to hammer on it. Okay, that filter's discolored. There, look at here. Yeah, can you see that edge right there? It's all peeled back. Oh yeah, guess where the leak was coming from. See how far around that goes, right to there. So it never sealed up correctly. Was this the original pump? You know, has it been in there since 1998? But look at that, where it never quite got down inside the lip correctly. And of course it would leak out of here and then down inside where I was getting all of the fuel building up and then getting all smelly and even running over the sides. That was it. That little edge right there. Okay, let's go ahead and install the new one correctly. Okay, so I've applied a little silicone around this edge here to make sure that it goes in there nice and smooth. I'll go ahead and get that in now. Okay, black ring goes on. Oh! Black retaining ring. Tighten. Wiring connected. The fuel pump is in, retaining ring is on and tightened down. Yes, I used a rubber mallet. Fuel lines are on. The wiring is attached inside the harness. And let's go ahead and give it a test. Okay, and away we go. There it goes. See, I got a little bit of air in the line. Let's wait for it to repressurize. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I guess my trunk is open, isn't it? Let's go see if we've got a leak. Nothing. Looks good. All right. Success. Okay, while I put this thing back together, I'm gonna let you guys go. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a little something from it. And hey, check out our other videos. We got a bunch of them on YouTube. That old 59 truck you saw, got lots of videos on it. And my 58 F250 along with this Volvo. And I don't get much work done on it because it's pretty reliable. But here's one thing fixed. Hey, please subscribe, hit that bell so that you can get notifications of other videos coming up, and I appreciate you watching.